I am Muskan Khandelwal and today we are going to discuss about XLRI Jamshedpur College in this video. We are going to discuss about the admission process, placement, courses, seats and many more things about in this college. Basically, XLRI stands for Xavier School of Management, and this is the oldest school which established in 1949 in Jamshedpur area. Basically, students all over the country, across the country came into this college, study in the college. Basically, students having aspirations, having determinations, want to achieve something are in this institute. There are people with work experience of 3 years, 5 years, and in freshers 2 years, of course, freshers too. And the NIRF ranking for this institute is 7th, and NIRF score is 65.33%. It is the best private school in India according to the NIRF report, which is accredited by AMBA, which is Association of MBA. See, XLRI is the first B school in the country to start VL. Basically, VL stands for Virtual Interactive Learning. We will discuss something about the campus of this college, which is actually a prestigious college, and the campus area is about 50 acres. There is wonderful classes, Wi-Fi connectivity, a long, huge auditorium, a comfortable residency of both students and staffs, and yeah, of course, there is a library which consists of basically around 68,000 books, which is actually a huge thing. And yeah, of course, ebooks, national journals, and much more things. There is a separate hostels for both boys and girls. Each floor is equipped with water filters, mobile phones, and a common TV, basically with a television. This institute not only is indulging not only focuses on studies, but also is indulged in sports and other co-curricular activities, which include sports as well as drama. Sports here includes badminton, basketball, cricket, football, tennis, and volleyball, of course. And here in this campus, we have access to swimming pool, tennis courts, and many other local clubs. So, library is the heart of the institute of this college. And yeah, of course, sports is also taken seriously here. There are other two extracurricular activities which include sports and drama. We have some dedicated teams and coaches in the sports of the college. And yeah, for drama we have quiz debates which go so long, even in the night also we have quiz and debate and all. And there are committees like Sigma and Samadhya, which is for underprivileged students. What is the admission procedure? Yeah, admission procedure first mainly it is you have to apply for that. Every year on January we have an online aptitude test which is conducted all over the 72 cities, and they offer basically 2 years full-time business management program, which is as PGDM. Then we have some basically the 5 courses which this institute offers, which are mentioned here as you can see in the screen, which is PGDM in business management, which have 180 seats. Then we have PGDM in Human Resource Management, which has also 180 seats. And then third, we have PGDM in General Management, which has 120 seats. And then other 2 programs, which are Fellow Programs in Management and Executive Fellow Programs in Management. Then we have what is the student stats and diversity. Basically, this college is a diversity. We have different people coming across the country, coming across the campus from other countries, and they take 360 seats across the year. Overall number of students who pursue PGDM is 725, and yeah, 725 there are 29 students within the states and the other 696 students which is from outside state. They also offers PhD programs too, and basically we have 27 full-time and 105 part-time which are currently pursuing PhD programs in this institute. Last time 2 full-time and 8 part-time PhD was graduated as a doctorate basically. Then what is the fee structure? Yeah, fee structure for the BM and HRM courses is INR, and obviously in INR 23.6 lakh overall, and then for GMP courses which is 20.95 lakh. Then we have graduation and placement. Basically, XLRI has maintained its graduation percentage at 99.4% since last year, and yes, it has also maintained his placement percentage at 100%. Over the past few years, 358 students were placed with a median salary of 21 lakh per annum, and the average salary which was 22.35 lakh per annum. There were about 104 recruiting company offered 358 offers basically to the students. And yeah, some most renowned companies like Coca-Cola, HDFC Bank, ITC, Wipro, Pepsi, and so many as the list goes on. It will never end basically. Highest salary which is offered on the campus in 2018 goes to 50 lakh per annum, which is actually so exciting. And then we have faculty information. Basically here the best faculty teams is all over the world. The best faculty team is in this institute, and the faculty ratio is 1:9. That is one teacher for 9 students. And many faculty members there in this institute had published books and even research papers globally. Financial details and expenditure you can see from here. Annual capital expenditure. They mainly their expenditure is on library. It's about 73%. Their expenditure is basically mostly on library. And then we have annual operational expenditure, which goes to 55% on maintenance, and salaries is 44%. It contribute 44 percentage. And then we have funding received. How much funding they have received? With sponsored research is 31.89 lakh, and consultancy project which is 9.40 crore. Overall, I would like to say that it's a best management institute. It's a very prestigious college. Salary packages are also just extraordinary, and there's impressive faculty ratio. So overall, this is best. Thank you, and do like the channel and subscribe.